Okay, I'm gonna be showing you guys how photosynthesis works. So, photosynthesis is very necessary because it is where organisms change light energy into food energy. It also produces oxygen, which us humans need to survive. The reactants in photosynthesis are light, carbon dioxide or CO2, and water. Um, and the products of photosynthesis is food or glucose and oxygen. And there's a little glucose symbol right there. So yeah, there you go. The chemical equation for photosynthesis is CH2O plus 6CO2 plus light energy less than C6H12O6 plus 6O2. So that's the chemical equation. So the Earth needs photosynthesis because without it we wouldn't be able to breathe because plants produce the oxygen after photosynthesis. The cell, where photosynthesis takes place is the organelle, and all plant cells or chloroplasts have the organelle so that photosynthesis can happen so they can get energy and food and we can get the oxygen. And the little data table right here is energy stored or released. It's stored. The form of energy at the start is light energy, and the form of energy at the end is chemical. And that's how photosynthesis works. That was good.
So today I'm going to be talking about cellular respiration and what it's about. So it's necessary because it allows us to use energy and move around. The reactants are food or glucose and oxygen, which is O2. The products are carbon dioxide, CO2, water, which is H2O, and ATP energy. The chemical reaction for cellular respiration is C6H12 and O plus 6O2, and that becomes 6H2O plus 6CO2 plus ATP energy. And the part of the cell where it happens is in the mitochondria, and it happens in all cells, so animals and plants. And then I made a little chart here for some stuff. So it's released, the energy is released. It's food, glucose at the start of it, and at the end it becomes ATP energy. So the three major stages for cell respiration are glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and electron transport. They occur in the cytoplasm of the chloroplast. The reactants are oxygen and glucose. The products are CO2, H2O, and ATP energy. Okay.
The two major stages of photosynthesis are light-dependent reactants and the Calvin cycle. Where they occur, the light-dependent reactants take place in the thigh-like heated membrane, and they use light energy to make ATP and NADPH. The reactants for each of the stages are glucose and CO2, and the products for each stage are ATP and NADPH. So both cell respiration and photosynthesis, they are both essential for all living things. The products of photosynthesis are requirements for cellular respiration. Thank you.